So it is in our language, it is
Hmm.
dandam,
Hmm.
danam.
Ah.
But here it is
Hmm.
it's voiced. And you can feel the vibration over here. The,
That.
that,
That.
then,
Then.
this,
This.
that.
That.
So what is it you're doing? The tip of your tongue comes very close to the upper teeth, but over here it is not exactly the tip, a second portion of it,
Yes.
a little away from there. That. See, when you're
That.
saying theater, the tip comes very close to the upper teeth when you're making it voiceless. But when you're making it voiced, so the tongue of yours has to be, the tip has to come a little away. So you're going to place it here, a little further away from the tip. Clear?
Clear.
That,
That.
this,
This.
they.
They.
Clear?
Clear.
So now there are certain rules when you have to make it voiced, especially when the word, let me minimize this. Okay, okay, I'll do it this way. Okay, when the word ends with a silent T, sorry, silent T, I went, okay, I'll write it this way. Silent E ends with a silent E, or when the word ends with an ing, and when th is between two vowels in the middle of a word, between two vowels. I'll give you an example. It's
Hmm.
bathe, bathe,
Bathe.
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 Here, breathing.
Hmm.
You don't say
Breathing.
breathing, it's breathing. The
Breathing.
pronunciation is going to be breathing.
Breathing.
It's going to be
Breathing.
like this. So breathing. You don't say
Breathing.
breathing. It's breathing. It's
Breathing.
bathe. 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 That's going to be the spelling. Okay. I think my spelling is BEI. Yeah, bathe. It's easy to learn, right?
Yes.
Bathe. Okay, breathing. And now, for example, father. FATHER. See, it's between two vowels. There's a vowel here, there's a vowel here, and
Uh,
this becomes a D. Father,
Father.
mother. So again,
Mother.
you can do it. Mother,
Mother.
mother. So
Mother.
brother,
Brother.
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 Then other,
Other.
other,
Other. Oh.
rather, rather. It is not rather, it is
Rather.
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 So how do you pronounce it? Mother, mother,
Mother.
mother, father,
Father.
brother,
Brother.
other, rather. Clear?
Other. Clear.
Rather. That R in the end is swallowed. Clear? Father,
Clear.
mother, brother, other, rather, breathing, bathing, bathing, bathe, seethe, wreathe, teeth. Clear?
Clear.
Very good. So I hope you're comfortable.
Yes.
Bathe, wreathe, seethe, teeth, breathing, teething, right? And over here, father, mother, brother, other, rather. Clear? Okay.